Hey there, everyone. Today, I'm breaking down the basics of taxes in a way that's easy to understand. So let's dive right in. First off, what are taxes? Taxes are mandatory payments that individuals and businesses make to the government. They help fund public services and infrastructure like schools, roads, and healthcare. Think of it as contributing to a giant community piggy bank that benefits everyone. Simple, right? Now let's talk about the different types of taxes. There are three main ones you should know about: income tax, sales tax, and property tax. Income tax is taken from your earnings. If you have a job, you've probably noticed that a portion of your paycheck goes to the government. That's income tax at work. Next, we have sales tax. Ever bought something and noticed a little extra charge at the checkout? That's sales tax. It's added to the price of goods and services you purchase. Simple enough to remember, right? Finally, there's property tax. If you own a house or land, you pay property tax. This tax often funds local services like schools and public safety. Now, you might be wondering, how are tax rates determined? Well, it varies. For income tax, the rate usually depends on how much you earn. The more you make, the higher your tax rate. It's called a progressive tax system. Sales tax rates can differ by state or country, and property tax rates depend on the value of your property. Local governments assess the value and set the rate accordingly. Let's touch on tax returns. Every year, you report your income to the government. This is called filing a tax return. You might get a refund if you've paid too much tax during the year, or you might owe more if you haven't paid enough. It's a way to balance the books, so to speak. But why is it important to understand taxes? Well, knowing how taxes work can help you plan your finances better. For instance, you can take advantage of tax deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits reduce the amount of tax you owe. They're like little bonuses that can save you money. In conclusion, taxes might seem complicated, but they're just a way for everyone to contribute to the greater good. Understanding the basics can make them a lot less intimidating. So the next time you see taxes on your paycheck or receipt, you'll know exactly what's going on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple guides. Catch you next time.